times that you ran on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, I got forgiveness. You think I'm crying, oh my red lion. And I didn't wanna write a song, 'cause I know thinking I still care, I don't well. You still hate my phone now. And baby, I've been moving on, and I think there should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, she lies everywhere. And I never lied to you, admit I was wrong. And I've been so proud of you, I didn't see what's going on. And now I know I'm better sleeping on my own, 'cause you feel like the way you look that much. Maybe you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. When you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was you and not them. And every time you told my opinion was wrong, and tried to